So before we add the command, so we need first to add the Vue.js to our application. You can follow the link to add Vue.js to Laravel 11. So to do that, we need first to install Vue. Let's copy and paste the command here. And also we need to install what else we have here. We have the Vite plugin. So let's copy and paste also here and hit enter. And let's wait until it's done. And also we need to install Penia because we will use Penia to manage the state. So later we will add Penia. And let's see what we have here. Okay, let's wait until it's done and then we move to the next. So now it's done successfully. Let's move. Let's close the files that we don't need for now. Let's move to the file which is vite.config.js. So here we need to add some changes. So let's go to the website. So here, so we need to import the view from the plugin. Let's import it and use it here. And also we need to add the view inside the plugins array. So here let's add view, save. So let's save. And what else we need? We need to create a component. So let's add component inside JS folder. So here inside JS, let's add folder components. And let's add components for commands. So let's name it commands list or command list dot view, and let's use it. So for now it's only, we will add only just some text to show it. So let's call, so I have a plugin that add the template. So it's just initialization. Okay, we'll back later to it. So let's go and see what we have also here. So here we need to update the file app.js. So here inside file app.js, let's import component. Where is the app? So here. So let's import components. And what else we need? We need to import also to create app. Let's put it here. And what else we have? So we don't have home components, we have command list. And we can get it from components / command list.view. Now that we have the components, let's copy everything from here and paste it here. So here we create the app and let's rename it to command list. And use the component here and we mount components. So let's add just so it's not working yet. So okay, let's use templates, and also templates. It's working now. Let's add div, and here for now just command list. Let's add also scripts, and scripts we don't need this. So let's add here setup, and for now just keep it as it is. And also let's add style, and style also is not working. Okay, let's copy this one and put it here and change it to style and remove setup, and instead we use scooped. So what is this? So why it's changed to setup here? So we have changed only one. So we have template, script, and styled. So let's move to the next. So next we need to update the home page, but here we don't have a home page, so we have app.blade.php. So let's move to app.blade.php. So here we need to add, let's give this an ID app. Let's give it to the div with class container and add the contents or the file or the path to the app.js file, this one. So let's, okay, we can use the command list inside show. So let's move to show.blade.php, and for now we will just for testing if Vue.js has been added or not. So let's add after the closing row here. So let's add another div and give it margin top and the bottom of 3, and add another div with a card and div with a card. So for now, or let's just, so now let's just use the command list. So we'll add everything inside the command list. So let's use the closing, or we can use self-closing components. So let's refresh and see if we will have here command lists or not. So we get here an error. Why? Because I forgot to run npm run div. So that's why. So we need to run the server for the front end and also for the PHP artisan serve and also for the Vite. So we need to run 2 servers. Now if we refresh, so I think it will work. So if we move down, so it's still refreshing. That means that it's fetching the components. So let's see what we will have. So as you can see here, we have the commands list, which means that we have added the Vue.js successfully to our projects. So now we need to add also Penia. So using Penia, we will manage our state, and also we need to create store. So the Penia store that will manage state. So let's do that now.